Do you talk like this when a girl is expressing her opinions?
Bro, are you PMSing?
Do you also say, but pads और diapers तो same ही है ना? Do you also think,
फार्मेसी में जाके मैं पैड नहीं लेने वाला man, it's so embarrassing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just
if any of this sounds like a dialogue that you've probably said in the past, stop. Stop right now, and none of it is actually really helpful. If you truly want to support us while we are menstruating, here's 5 ways in which you can show care and support while someone around you is on their period. Number 1, don't just assume that we are PMSing when we are agitated or just plain expressing an opinion. I know, we get it. The hormones are all over the place when we are PMSing, and it is difficult to understand what's really going on in someone's mind. You have to understand that just because we expressed an opinion that's contrary to yours, that does not mean that we are automatically on our periods. Believe it or not, we have opinions even if we aren't on our periods. Surprised? Number 2, genuinely try to educate yourself on how the human body and the mind changes and functions when someone is menstruating. I get it, the human female body is extremely fascinating. It is a mystery, it is a work of art. I understand that. But all it takes is a little genuine curiosity to be well informed and educated. You can start by asking your mom, your sister, your sister-in-law, your wife, your daughter, your girlfriend, your friend, whoever it is in your circle that's going through this, and ask them genuinely with a little respect, how is it that you can help them, how can you be there for them, and how can you be of assistance. Let me paint a picture and tell you what exactly it is that goes on only in the physical body. I'm not talking about the emotional and mental implications of this, but just to give you a little picture. It starts with acne. It starts with like small little pimples and stuff. Then it goes on to tenderness in the breast. Then it goes all the way down. And then we have like a Zumba party, but with knives inside our uterus. Then we have pain right here in the back, like right here, for no reason. And then it travels all the way down into our heels and then comes back all the way up, back into our uterus. Then there's all of the pains and the aches and the bleeding and the cramps and all of that associated. Adding to that, the mess that the hormones are creating. So I understand that it is a really tough time for us, as well as for you to understand that. But give it some time, give it some patience. Genuinely try to ask them what is it that you can do to help them or understand them. And I think open communication really works. Next time, you can be a little patient and hear out whatever it is that they have to tell you. You never know. Next time they may want to vent out to you, and you can be a sounding board for them. Number 3, there is no shame in buying tampons or pads or cups or cloth or whatever it is that someone is asking you to. The year is 2021. Come on, I think we can move past the shame and the taboo that we have all secretly created around menstruation. It does not deserve it. It is a natural bodily function that happens to every single person menstruating. That's it. That's all that there is. So if any girl asks you to get some menstrual supplies that she herself can't go and buy out for whatever reason, please, without hesitation, offer to help in whatever capacity you have. I promise that the pharmacy guy is not going to make fun of you, is not going to mock you, is not going to laugh at you behind your back, and is actually going to respect you for doing this. So yes, no shame in buying menstrual supplies. Number 4, offer to help with any duties or chores or responsibilities if anyone you know is on their period around you. I know that it is difficult to really go up to someone and ask them, but really it's a hard enough time for us with all the pains and the aches and the bleeding and the soreness, the hormones, the emotional wreck that we all are. But a little help is really appreciated. A little goes a long way. Even something as easy as a foot rub really helps. It really works. So please just respectfully offer to help someone that is in your circle in whatever capacity you can, in whatever way or form that you can. And I promise that we will remember this gesture forever. Number 5, just be there. in whatever capacity that you can offer. I think sometimes even something as easy as buying someone a chocolate or an ice cream or soups or bringing their favorite book so that they can sit at home, rest it out and read, or even a hot water bag is really a very thoughtful gesture. And I assure you that you can always reach out to them and tell them that you are there for them, you are there to hear them out, to be their sounding board, and just be there in whatever little capacity you have. I promise you it is very enduring, and we will have nothing but love and respect to shower you with on our 5th day, if you know what I mean. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different from the stuff that I usually put out there, but I thought that this message is something that can be amplified and can be shared with as many people, irrespective of their gender. It just is a means of really telling you what it is that we want, and the answer to the question, how is it that we can help you while you're on your period. I hope this answers your questions, and if you learned something, please don't hesitate in sharing this with a friend who really needs to hear this. As always, you know I'm Apurva Jayarajan, and this is Fitness with Apurva, but episode 6 of Wellness with Apurva, and you can watch all my latest videos here and also enter the menstrual cup giveaway that I'm having on my Instagram page. So head on over to my Instagram page where you can enter the menstrual cup giveaway. Follow the rules in the description box below, and you will find that it's super easy to win yourself a menstrual hamper. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I drop more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep practicing, stay at home, and I will see you in my next. Namaste.